So everything, right?
I know Dan is frozen right now. Did we lose Julie?
I don't know. Can you hear me?
I could hear you. So I think, lost Julie, but she might just come back. And Dan looks like he's frozen in time.
Okay, I'm
But
completely empty, I think.
all
Yep.
right, great. So the first thing we want to add is in Slack, right? That audio that Dan shared with us. Yep, Dan. One second, Ross. Okay. Dan said that he's coming back. Okay. So yeah, you downloaded it. Great.
That's what I'm doing. Okay.
Nice. Now we just need to like drag that in or get that in there. So, um, yep, downloads. Oh, okay. I know what I did wrong. So let's hit X. Let's get out of this. Okay. Let's go to where it says the folder icon, and then there's the audio. So we're gonna look at both. So first, let's look at folder icon. Yep. Okay. So that's just where our projects are. Okay. Let's go back. Yeah. So
Oh,
nope, it's okay. Yep. Start creating.
oh no.
It's okay. Oh, you know why this happened, by the way? It's because we didn't hit save. So after you delete everything, let's hit save.
Yeah,
You
dirt.
can not do that again in case it doesn't happen. Until we code in autosave. Um, then
I
I know,
bet you
right?
got a lot of calls for that. I lost my stuff.
You know what? I was the first. I was
Oh
like, okay,
no.
Ross, how do we remove everything? And that's like one of the first things that I mentioned that we need to edit, which is good. It's part of using it and seeing.
Well, a good beta is always a good thing. Testing.
For sure. Welcome back, Dan. Do you hear us? Do we hear you? Oh
Okay.
no.
And where do
can
I
hear you.
save?
Yeah, I'm having.
Save.
And Julie, welcome back. Okay.
Internet
Oh
problems
no.
today.
Dan's having the technical glitches. So all right. Did you hit save? You did, right?
I did.
Okay, great. So now we just need to add our audio. So yeah, let's go there. Upload audio. Perfect. So another cool thing that I can tell Ross is a simple drag and drop. If there's audio, if there's videos, people love that. It makes it.
Where is this dragon and why are we dropping it?
Say again. Okay, so this is the audio from
Yeah,
Slack. Oh,
that was like dad jokes. Where is the dragon and why are we dropping it?
honestly, that's a really
Here's a
good one.
drag. No, I'm just joking.
It's a
Okay, so now
drag.
Okay, so now we have our audio. Now we need those two. What are they? Two videos on Slack
Two
of the two.
videos. Yep.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're the two
the two that Dan
videos.
mentioned.
The
Okay,
the door. Oh my! That squirrel is everywhere.
I know. Like, see y'all. Yep.
So these are just to give context for folks that are maybe just joining us on this adventure of becoming an animation studio. Um, this is uh, a, a collection of videos that Julie made, and they came from kids in Miami. 4-year-olds drew little pictures, and if you want to check back in on the story, there is, I think, like maybe 3 or 4 weeks ago when we did this, we were talking about those pictures, and we actually showed them on screen. And so those pictures became rendered images, and then those images became videos. And so now the videos are becoming a film. And so we're just experimenting. This is us learning ourselves in public as well, on what it takes to be in a full stack animation studio, going from a 4-year-old's idea of like monsters and aliens and adventure and circuses. That's what we have coming up with this. And then doing the work that it takes to get to a fully rendered film that is seamless and well balanced and rendered at a high fidelity, like HD at least, 4K, maybe we'll go 4K, I don't know. But that's part of it. And so what we were talking about in kind of this pre-show is we really need to pay attention to where are we, like what's the setting for this adventure, and that's already been established. Like these characters we're working with now are students, little like characters that are getting space helmets given to them by their teacher in a classroom. So that's the setting, and it's also the action. So we need setting, who's who, what is the action, and then the hidden one is what is the objective? Like what does each character want, and is it being fulfilled? So that's something very well known in like the theater and film development, script writing, that kind of thing, where we always are tracking actions and objectives, and are things fulfilled or unfulfilled. And that just gets us out of like this ultimate problem of we have to fill 40 seconds. What do we fill it with? Well, once you start paying attention to those things, like what do people want? Like she wants a helmet. It's so cute, And then what we can do here, which is I'm just still in awe of this platform, like this editing platform, because we can actually generate things right within the editor, which is phenomenal. And so we've got these two videos, we've got the soundtrack, I know this one's going to be kind of short because we're starting a lot later. And speaking of theater, we're going to our daughter's show. So I'm meeting my family for dinner in like 7 minutes. and but that's I think what we can show is just how can we set this up and get the emotional content. So maybe if we want to, yeah, maybe if we want to, um, I love that one so much. What if we can we take that blue guy and maybe put him like outside the school? So leave everything in order, but scooch him over to the right. So that I think we should generate the moment before. Like the moment before that girl gets the helmet, maybe she's looking out the window at the stars and like, I want to go to the stars. And then she sees this blue guy hiding in the bushes. And this is what I don't know if we can generate all this right now. Well, he's not hiding in the bushes. That sounds kind of creepy.
No, but
Uh,
we definitely, I really do love the ideas that you're bringing up, and I think we should actually note these down, right?
yeah.
So there's a really good key information there that I feel like, even though we're not going to get through everything today, right? We only have about,
No,
what, 4
exactly.
minutes?
Yeah.
I think we should, those
Yeah.
are really good ideas, and that can at least give us some ideas of what to prompt for the
Right.
specific characters.
Yeah.
And,
So let's make that the goal since we are low on time, because this is like, sorry if I interrupted you, but this is
no,
really
no.
like
I just want to say
seeing
one thing
us
really quick.
organize in
Raul,
time.
can you just hit enter a few times so we don't show all the different meeting notes? Just so we
It's
can go on the second page. No, it's okay.
all good.
It's all right. It's no problem. Just you can use the same
Where are we going?
document.
Where are we going?
You can same document. Just hit enter a few times so we can go to the second page.
The
Yeah.
other thing you can do is just pull it out of the tab bar and then have it
Perfect.
just on your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Okay.
So I
Now
do
you
love
can
this.
take it again.
Yeah. Okay, so now let's just say a sequence of events. So moment one, the girl is looking outside the classroom window, at the sky. And maybe we have like a drone shot that's zooming in and we see the girl in the window as she's looking up to the stars. That's like, so we're creating emotion, and then maybe moment two, this blue character like peeks around the corner of the school and then they lock eyes and she's like, oh, and he's like, and then maybe this full 40-second moment is about them getting to know each other. Maybe there's a game of tag or something, or he's got a space gun and it's like shoots bubbles and she's like, ah, so this is where I think I am kind of a 4-year-old, because I asked the 4-year-olds what do they want to see, and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's all real clear now. So I'm probably 4 years old, but that's I think that could be a really sweet sequence for this 40 seconds. So I'll run through it again because I know Rutro's like, what?
What?
Okay,
Ruh-roh.
so yeah, because I can't see anything. So moment one, we see like it's a zoom in shot on the school and it zooms into the window. We see this girl staring out at the stars. So that's like moment one. And let me know when you're ready for moment 2, because it just kind of crystallized. I'm like,
I
this could
said,
be
zoom
a
in
thing.
on school.
I got your
Yep.
route if you need
Oh,
it.
you got it. Okay, you
Yeah,
take
I
the
got
notes.
you. And yep. Go ahead,
Okay.
Dan. I
Okay,
got
cool.
you. I got moment 1. We see a zoom in of school to the window to see a girl staring out at the stars. Go ahead, moment 2.
What, Morgan? Yeah.
Morgan.
We
This
see a zoom.
teamwork
Oh,
makes
yeah.
the dream work. Yeah, you guys
Oh, sorry.
you guys together can follow my brain.
Go for it, bud.
Okay, so moment 2 is gonna be like she looks down and then she looks over and there's this blue guy sneaking around the corner. And maybe he's already in the yellow spacesuit, you know? And so I think there's a beautiful moment that could be there where they like lock eyes and then they're like, what
Eyes.
is
She's
there's
like
like it's like
fearful,
fear. Yeah,
right?
they're afraid of each other. Yeah.
But then he shoots bubble gun.
Yeah, so well then she I think that could be I don't know if that's like a trauma inducing moment, like seeing the
Yeah.
alien pull a gun on like but I don't know. Maybe it's not
Yeah, maybe
a
we don't
bubble
have
gun.
guns in school.
Maybe probably not. Yeah,
Maybe
no,
maybe he
that's
goes
just
to talk and just opens his mouth and she's like, he's about to
yeah.
speak, and instead he's like, hi.
Oh, or if he blows a giant bubble. I don't know. I like the high thing.
Something cute. I'm
Uh
sure.
no, oh no, I think he could pull out like a balloon animal from his spacesuit or something and give it to her. So like something so he pulled out a fun item. Like I was thinking bubbles. Maybe it's a bubble wand,
You
but
can still take time on that
let's not
thing. I
go
just
like
wrote add something cute here.
add something cute.
Here
Yes. I love
to
it.
show the alien is a friendly one. Gotcha. And then she.
And then are you and Rutro in the same Google Doc? Because I think that might be the
No, I'm
best thing
typing
to
in.
do.
I'm just going to transfer to her. So I'm just
Okay,
going to
sweet.
transfer to her. I literally just pulled up my notepad super quick and started typing. So yeah.
I know you have a very aggressive
She's
typing.
shocked.
Yeah.
You're like
saw
that
the
cat
struggle.
with the computer, right? Yeah.
So
She's
what's the word I'm looking for though when she's like,
exasperated
yeah,
or relieved. She's
really?
relieved
There we go.
that it's yeah. I think that's enough. Like he reaches into a spacesuit and pulls out something cute, like
Now is this
whatever
stuff
that
going
is.
on while the music is going on?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And so we're just creating a little vignette, like a scene.
Yeah.
So this could be something that is an intro or an interlude. It's something we'll actually use in the final video. Right now we're just filling time and learning to work together.
Gotcha.
I love that like you and Rutro are both keeping track of all of this because I sometimes just going, "Boop."
No, I get you.
That's
Well,
what I
I think
do.
we definitely need that, Dan. Though you have to brainstorm as much ideas as possible, and then we can
Yeah.
kind of narrow down to 5 to 10 seconds for each moment, and then
Right.
utilize those characters and see where it
I love
fits
it.
in.
Yeah. Well, okay. So, so he does the cute thing,
Mhm.
and then maybe they play tag a little bit. Like they just like she runs after him, and he's like, "What do I do with this?" And then
Now,
she
how
just
did
like
she get out of the
touches
window?
it. Oh
'Cause we have.
shoot, good point. She does not jump out of the window. So I think she tells him to come inside, and the teacher comes over and is like, "What?" You know, and then but maybe the teacher knows the alien, and he's like, "Oh, it's just Bluey," not the dog, the alien. Um, so somehow the alien gets in the classroom, and then that's where I think he puts on his spacesuit first. Maybe I don't know. Like we'll have to figure out the spacesuit thing. But though I think the whole ending can be like he gives her a spacesuit, and then they like the whole class goes out into the spaceship and they blast off into the sky.
Okay.
Because I don't want to make it look like just the girls are being abducted from school. Why is this so awkward?
Yeah, right. Okay, so after the alien goes in, though, they all jump around.
I think they jump around. They're excited. It's like a big game of show and tell. And then he reaches in his spacesuit again because there's always like it's called the rule of 3. Like you set it up and you do it again, and then the last time you do it is like really impactful. So he reaches in his spacesuit and pulls out an inflatable spacesuit and gives it to the girl.
Gotcha.
And then he has one for every student in class. And that's where we have maybe like a little montage that Julie made of all these spacesuits getting put on. So you find the best ones, and then within the best ones, you find the best frames. So like especially with AI, this is just things I've learned from doing 3 now kind of hybrid like real life AI videos working with kids. Which that's one of the things I'm working on right now is one in Colombia. But to just find the little nuggets of each thing before it starts hallucinating or getting weird,
Do we know how
or
long the
just like
song is?
the whole song's going to be about 2:30 probably. This is 40 seconds. So if we can do a 40-second segment and tell a mini story, then I think that's going to be like
So
we have a whole scene.
this
It
needs
looks
to
like
be
35 seconds.
Sorry, Rebecca.
What's that, bro?
It looks like 35 seconds.
Oh, 35. That could be. Oh, yeah, up until where it stops.
Or unless
And so
Yeah,
this is just a little. That's just
but
a
you can
snippet.
extend it. You can extend
Right.
it. We
Yeah.
can go as far as we can, and then we can pretty much stitch it together in like Canva
Yeah.
or something.
So, but
Exactly.
but we're basically building right now for the whole song, right? Of the
Well, right now we're just building this little mini story
this
that we'll put in the song. So it's 40 seconds. But when you have a story like this, because it has a very clear through line, right? Of like alien comes in, class loves alien, alien takes class on an intergalactic spaceship, field trip, you know? So that's one thing that we can parse it out throughout the whole music video. And then you're telling the story behind the story. So if we could maybe show the lyrics on the screen. And so, like, can somebody read them because it's very small, and I need to head
Okay,
out
how do I
like
get
very
into the
soon.
Google? How do I see the Google Doc where
I
I have the
think. Well,
song?
no. So Rutro's got it. Rutro, if you want to
Yeah, if you
go ahead.
wouldn't
If
mind.
Yeah, so the
if you want.
Little Blues Rockers, verse 1, entering the park. Is this the right one? No, this is the space. No.
Yeah, we want the.
We want this one.
Yeah, there we
Sorry.
go.
Blast
Off
Off
Blues.
Blues.
Yep.
Verse 1, put on my helmet, zip it up tight, put on my helmet, ready to ride, all strapped in and ready to go, astronauts ready to explore. Counting down from 3 to 1, hear the engines roar, ready for fun, 3, 2, 1, we're blasting off, let's go find an open door.
Oh my gosh, I just got goosebumps because the story fits, right? I haven't looked at these lyrics since this morning, and maybe that's what was ruminating in my brain. But I think we can have it kind of parallel, like this blue alien is getting ready on his homeworld to go off and explore and find Earth, And he's like singing the song. That's verse 1 is like his story of coming to Earth, and then like verse 2 and 3 as we go through could be like her story of like she is a dreamer, and maybe the teacher, we even see the teacher going like, come back from the window, do your work or whatever. Or maybe it's come back from the window, you're such a dreamer, I want to let you dream here or something, whatever the temperament of the teacher is. But I think it would be cool to kind of parallel that story of like we're all gonna go explore and blast off, so
Okay.
what's the chorus again?
The chorus, flying to the moon, rockets blasting off, flying to the moon, rockets blasting off. See the planets passing by on our way up to the sky. And then it repeats.
I love it. Yeah. So I think this will be like the beginning of the whole music video. We start, and that can be like a truncated time, but by the time we get to the first chorus, we have maybe the blue alien is watching the planet pass by. And then in the middle of the song, we get to the school moment where the girl's looking up at the stars, and then they get in the rocket ship. And then by the next chorus, they're all looking at the planets. And because it's an educational video, we put the names of the planets on the screen.
Right. Ro, could you share that doc so I could throw this in there for you guys?
Yeah. And I apologize. I have to go. But
It's actually in
this was really
Slack,
helpful.
Morgan.
Like we in 19.
On the song?
Oh, you mean the meeting notes?
Yeah, in 19 minutes we did a lot.
So wait, before you go, at least
So
read
are you guys gonna keep going or? Yeah.
At least read what I got written down.
Yeah, I mean, if you guys have enough to keep going on, I didn't expect to find an entire storyline for the whole song, but I think we just did.
Okay, cool. I'm throwing them in the Google Docs right now as well too. So I'm just,
Okay, I put the meeting notes
okay.
in Slack.
The space one first. Okay, I'm gonna.
And yeah.
Yeah, I think we can we can try some generations and see what we can get.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, Dan. And I
That would be
think
awesome.
we can definitely just play around with it
Yeah.
with these ideas a little bit.
No, thank you
spend like
guys.
20 minutes.
This is-
One thing, Ro, make sure you save this video for now.
This is so cool.
And
I think that's, like, I can't wait to hear how the whole song sounds, because the last missing piece is going to be who's the main singer of the song, because I think we decided in our pre-meeting that we were using puppets for is this one was Chloe?
This is
right?
Chloe and this is
The
Puppet.
girl singer, I
Yep.
think. Pretty
Yes,
sure.
Chloe.
Yeah. So
Yes, yeah.
yeah, I think we need to find or make like an adult teacher puppet that's gonna sing the song, for and maybe we have an alien lead singer, and maybe we have a human teacher lead singer, and it's like a joint field trip, so it doesn't look like the alien is abducting all the children. That would be kind of weird.
Did you check out the script? Did you see the script, Dan?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Good.
Awesome. All right. Well, thanks. I have to go, but I can't wait to
Okay.
see like what you guys generate, and then we can touch base on this. And I think this is us learning to work as a team. We'll you go back to Slack in the back channels and keep sharing things. And I'm excited. Like this, we can do this. We got this.
thanks so
All right,
much,
bye,
Dan.
everybody.
Bye, Dan.
Bye.
I have put slips
Thank
on a
you.
banana peel, but it could be anything,
Bye.
whatever.
Thanks
I
for
don't know how
stepping
long
in.
to slip on a banana peel outside, but whatever.
My dyslexia sort of kept me frozen. I'm like, what?
Okay, so really quick, for that document, you know how to, you could either share it with us or you've already uploaded it, right? On Drive?
Yeah. Mhm.
Okay, so that's totally fine. You don't need to share it.
I tried to put that in the chat too, but I didn't realize there was a limit on the chat in Sound and StreamYard. So, but that was before I had the Google Docs, so that's why you see half of the thing in the private chat here. Sorry.
Oh yeah, that's what I see. Oh my god, that's so
Sorry.
funny. Just noted that now. Yeah, so anything, we can all see it, the Google Doc in the Google Drive folder, Morgan, as well.
Cool.
You're shared with it as well. I put both your emails.
Okay. Thank you.
Just in case.
All
And
good. All good. Thank
so, where do you guys want to start? And I know for this second part, I know since we're going to be generating something, we can put a pause on the videos. So, Roro, you can stop sharing, and then either Morgan, Julie, or myself, we can share. We can jump into PIXIO and maybe tackle just like a few of those generations and see.
Do we have any characters yet, like images of?
Yes, I think we do, right?
Okay, so that
Roro?
He was talking about like a person or the teacher. I don't think we have
Okay, so-
teachers in there.
so-
I mean, we can come up with that, but the ones that you have, do you want me to run a Laura on real quick and just?
Got you.
You know what I mean?
So I don't know if you need necessarily a Laura on that one character.
Well, at least for the alien, I would think so, right? Like,
What we could try is use the new GPT model, and
Yeah,
maybe we'll see if we can reference that, and then
Which,
see if it
yeah.
gets us somewhere.
Okay.
And you saw which ones, Morgan, right?
I saw Nick. Why don't you do PIXIO and I'll pull up OpenAI and see what we, because we're doing Dolly.
No. Well, the OpenAI. What do you mean? Like that
I'll
model
open
that
it
I'm
from
talking about?
ChatGPT and you open it from PIXIO.
Yeah. But that model that I'm talking about isn't PIXIO.
Oh. It is, you said, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I was saying let's go do a battle, one against the other.
PIXIO is going to win.
PIXIO always wins, but I'm just
No,
saying.
but because specifically it's a different model that you get in ChatGPT.
Gotcha. Okay.
So it's up to you. If
It
you
doesn't
want,
matter.
you can share. You can share.
Yeah, whatever. Present. I just have 50 million windows open that I have to close, but yeah.
Present. How, Julie, how are you doing? I feel like Julie just has like tons of ideas going on.
Okay. So, charts. PIXIO.
That's Morgan charts.
Mm-hmm.
The day trader, night trader, Morgan.
That's the thing for the gas for the rocket.
There you go. I like it. So going to
Images? No, not there. Go to, oh, where are you going? Where are you going?
yeah, that's what I did. I did generate images. Or
Okay,
you want
go
me
to
to
wall.
do as well?
Now, do you see the GPT one? Have you used this yet?
I believe so, but not like consistently. So
So if you hit edit, now we can.
I need to grab the ones that you guys already have too, though, right?
Wait, what are we grabbing?
Well, there were already some characters, right? We
Okay,
were
so
trying to see if we could recreate.
click reference images. Does it say there's a limit? There is, right? It says 4 images. So go grab 4 images, and then we can try to generate that
4 images of
any of the characters that are Muppet style.
like, but we should try to focus on like the alien guy first, though, right? Or
You
something.
can go in the file up at the top,
Oh, yeah,
right
yeah.
under, yeah,
Thanks.
and then images, see all at the top right,
I have such a bad
right by the squirrely.
Is and the little alien
And
guy.
it's the one right there, right. You see that little green thing that's all spazzed out looking, right
This
above
one?
that.
Oh, this one.
I
This
can't see what you're
Oh.
doing. Oh yeah, yeah. Up one more. Yeah,
So
that girl, the one with the headband, the pink headband,
okay.
and then 2 over to her right is the
Okay.
blue monster with the black
Oh, this
hair.
guy. This
Yeah.
guy. Gotcha. I see him. Gotcha. All right. So
Now we need 4 images of.
that's fine. This is what we do. Hold on. Yep. There's one. That's one. Should I do it with a spacesuit on it? Stop. Pause.
Well, I don't think it needs to be the same character. I think you.
Oh,
can,
I thought we were making. Okay. I thought
No. What you can do is you can either do what you're doing with different characters to kind of give it some. Because do you want it to look like this exactly?
Well, the alien guy. I thought we were just basing it off of him. No. It doesn't matter to me.
So, question.
I get what you're saying.
You get what I'm saying?
I do. So just take a couple of them then.
Yeah.
These are all ones that Jewel made?
Yep.
Nice, Jewel. Are you okay with this, Jewel? Because I know you were going to do some of your own things too.
Yes, go ahead and use them.
Are you sure?
Yes, positive, 100%.
Okay.
Now, just keep in mind, Morgan, when you do find these images on your local, downloads desktop, that you don't go through anything.
No, I got you.
I
erased that. That was. I told you that was. I was doing a Laura for somebody, and that's what they sent me. I was like,
oh God.
All right, so it doesn't really matter then, right? Like I could grab any.
It doesn't matter. I think.
Just the style, right? Because it's up to 4. Why don't we just try? What did I just do? 2, 3?
Yeah, I think you just did 2. I could be wrong.
I feel like that guy's like a little. It's just blurry for me. So, what's another one that I can do though? Oh, there we go. There's another alien. Yep.
And Dan sent a monkey in the Slack. It says, if you have a sec, could you play with this? It's having a monkey on a barrel looking at a book and running when the kids approach.
Can I choose? Like that? to do it, or do I have to do like shift and hold them down like you do with the Laura's, Nick? Okay, good. Never mind.
Yep. And I just looked at the monkey picture, Roro. Yeah, I guess honestly,
I'm not sure where that goes in or fits, but
is it what style? What do you want it to be, like this type of style, or I would ask him. I would ask him just a little bit more clarifying on like what style do you want the monkey to be, because the other stuff is easy.
Okay, so I can type.
Yep. So now you can prompt it what we want.
yeah, good point, Nick, because that would look funky. A real life monkey. I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a very realistic monkey, and I don't know how it would fit, but the prompt is easy. Monkey on a barrel looking at a book and running with the kids. We can find a way to either stylize it or Muppetize it, or just kind of gotta see what Dan wants to do with that.
Do I have to put the puppet style too, right? Like the Jim Henson Muppet style or whatever.
Yeah,
Right.
in the style of Jim Henson
At the
Muppet.
end or in the beginning? In the beginning.
Anywhere. Julie's the master prompter.
Yeah.
Huh.
So
I don't know about that.
the style of Jim Henson.
Mm-hmm.
Jim Henson what?
Muppets. I actually did those. I think I did those. I think I'm trying to remember the prompt. I believe I also added in Pixar, Pixar Jim Henson style.
Oh. I'm just going to do one Pixar and we'll see what happens.
Now, is he? Is it supposed to be an alien in the prompt? Did you clarify that there's like an alien, or is this something different?
I said a neon glowing blue alien with 3 eyes.
Okay, great,
He has a lime green spiked mohawk and he's wearing a spacesuit with a helmet on.
Awesome. You could take this prompt, and then you could give it to AI Tutor and say, "Give me 10 variations of this," and enhance it.
I normally just like to go to the optimized prompt here.
Well, you could do that too.
No.
What's wrong with them?
I think it's too Pixar, but it's really nice.
So let's take out the Pixar.
Well, we'll see what it does now. We'll see. And then you could also try, right? You could also try to just take that prompt and just hit generate without using the reference images and see what it does there.
Okay.
Just to kind of compare and contrast. And also, if you want, you can send. That's pretty funny.
Cute.
So you could also try removing the word Pixar. See if that. Okay, and then also send the prompt to us so we can also play around with it. And,
Sure.
I'll try to.
Where shall I send? In the chat?
Yep.
Okay. And back to
getting lost from the million tabs.
Let's see. So now I'm doing no images and remove Pixar. Oop, I thought I clicked it. Oops. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, I don't want to do reference images though, right?
If you're okay, so are you in generate?
Oh, I'm in edit. Duh.
Yeah. So you could basically just go to generate. If you're not editing anything,
Oh, look, I took it over there anyway. Nice. Nice. Market cap.
okay. So interesting, right? We're getting a more Muppetized character now.
Yeah.
What do you guys think? Also,
I can change them up, obviously.
you see the quality. You see how it says medium?
Uh-huh.
Give it a higher quality.
Okay. Oh, nice. All right. Medium and
Yep.
I
It looks good. I like
I
it.
think it's cute.
think I like it. I like this one, even though he's not, like I just think he's cute. That one. But no,
Yeah, I like the stylized characters as well.
I think I like his eyes when they're like this more than this.
You gotta write bulging eyeballs.
In a row, 3 in a row. Yeah, see, like this style over that style and that style. And then after this, let's try and recreate a what is his name? Mike Scully or something? Big round ball with one big eye.
Oh my god, yeah, you're right.
I love that guy. See, I don't like it like that. Let's see. Okay, in the style of, oh my god, Morgan. Style of Jim Henson's a big, we want to make them a different color than green. We'll do neon purple. Neon purple monster ball. That's what we're going to say. With one big eye. The monster has a blue bow on top of it. We'll make it her head. And sure. See how that goes. I think it would be hard to put a spacesuit on a big monster ball, though.
Look at this.
What'd you get?
I'm gonna generate right now, but someone mentioned Mike Savosky.
That's it. That's it. Well, the Scully guy is actually the bigger guy, the blue guy, right? Scully or something. I don't know. Yeah, Mike Zawaski.
Yeah, that's funny.
That was such a cute movie.
Oh god, that's so interesting.
So I should say a big ball with one big eye, a big ball as a body and no leg. I'm doing one more. No.
So I'm gonna try to take that prompt that you had initially, and I just gave it to AI Tutor. It gave me 5 different prompts, so I'm gonna try to see what I come up with right now.
I'm going to have to drop out and then I'll drop back in. I just have to change devices.
Oh, good girl.
Okay.
Sure thing.
Or did it give me the? Oh, there. Oh, look at the eye. See, change the eye. Made her a little less hairy.
I'm gonna try one of our new models, Dreamcraft, and see how it does it. Let's see.
We have to send these guys to a gallery.
Also share some of those the good ones on the Slack channel as well.
Oh, sure.
To see if Dan can give us any feedback on any of them. I love that you sent most of them to the gallery, because now if you go to the PIXIO website, you'll just see
I do send them to the gallery. You want to know why I send them to the gallery?
So that you can be showcased on PIXIO's gallery.
Get my prompts again, because I would love it if the optimized prompt like saved your prompt.
Ooh, that's a really good idea.
When I'm doing I'll have 2 PIXIO windows open because I'll have the prompt generator, the optimized.
That's actually a really good. That's a good idea, Morgan. Definitely gonna do that.
And I have the other screen is where I'm generating. So when I need to change my image prompt, I don't, because they lose it. You know what I mean? Like you lose it when you go to another screen. It doesn't stay.
Yes, that is a great idea. Like so for optimized prompt, maybe we'll have like a section there that says like prompt saver or something.
Yeah.
Where you can go back and see all your different prompts.
Mm-hmm. You know, it would have been really cool if we could have done it right now, but it's different. is the image turbo, the image craft turbo. Whoa, shoot, what is it called? Where is it? Do we still have it, or is it gone?
Which one?
The one that shows the pictures on the side when we're changing the words and everything. Oh my god!
You're just talking about TurboCraft?
TurboCraft, yeah. The TurboCraft picture one was my favorite, but it doesn't save. It doesn't save all those pictures. Like as you take away the letters, it doesn't do it anymore.
So it's just that extra step. So it still does save it. So you just gotta click that button.
But no, it doesn't show you all of the ones that is generating as you're changing the prompt. Like when you delete a letter, it would change. You know?
Yeah, I know. Yeah, we removed that one feature.
That's the best part.
I know, because now it's not TurboCraft anymore. It's like Midcraft. it's not as fast. No, but it was causing some coding issues, and it's honestly a good fix overall. I think it's okay if it's just a quick. It's still really fast, so you can just continue if you really want to see it.
Show you the images in between. That's why I use that thing, because if you just want a slight variation and you just delete one letter, it normally gives you around like when I make my when I do like my NFTs, I have a whole like huge block of them already done because of the slight variations.
Well, you know what? If you want like variations, you can like go to like one of the models that lets you generate like 10 at a time. So you can just keep that one prompt, and you'll have like 10 variations of that prompt.
I want TurboCraft. Let's see what else we got.
And oh my God, you want to?
Yeah. Go ahead, share your screen.
I'll share my screen.
Yeah, you share your screen, and I'll work on putting these in the Slack channel.
Okay. That's too funny. Share screen. Let's see. PIXIO. You see it?
That's funny.
That's
one of the prompts.
Yeah, I'll try another one.
I love it that it's got 2 different colored eyes.
Let's see. This is Dreamcraft. It's one of the newer models, so I'm testing it out to see how good it is and how fast it is. Maybe if I add a little bit more inference steps. Oh my God. I like the NASA.
That's cute. With a little star in the middle of its head, though.
Let's try that.
And it's got a little NASA suit. I like that one. I mean, it's not like Muppet style, but it's still cute.
Yeah, the first one was better.
Send that one to the gallery.
I'll send them all.
Send the middle one, definitely. I like the middle one a lot. It's cute. It's got stars in its eyes, stars in the middle of the head, and I like the NASA suit. Where's it saying star? You know what? They do look punk rock, so I'm totally accepting it.
Yeah, that one definitely. I'll try your prompt. I'll try the prompt that you actually gave initially and see if it's better. Give me one sec. In the style of. Oh God.
It looks like a plush, like a stuffed animal.
Oh my God. He definitely looks like a villain character.
That's funny. I like the NASA suits though; they're cool.
I'm gonna try your prompt
Okay.
with this model.
They're funny.
It's too funny. Oh.
That's funny.
That was your prompt.
He's cute.
Yeah.
Look at his little bugging out eyes. He's cute. I like his ears and his mohawk. His punk rock haircut.
We'll try the different
Funny.
prompt. Retro futuristic. Ooh. That's interesting.
Look at his facial expression. He's funny. I mean, I would get, like, if I saw him.
But I just think we need to oh God, that's I think we need to have in the Google Doc somewhere, like the details that we can include in the prompt, so we can have that consistency.
Yeah.
When we try to play around with it.
I love the light, how they're lit up, and so he looks like he's got a hit on him. He's got that one single little red dot in the middle of the top of his forehead, like he's about to get shot. That's funny.
I'll try one more, and then we'll try a different model.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I mean, it's definitely getting the Jim Henson puppet style. What do you think, Julie? Oh, let me also see if Ruh-Roh's back. I'm sorry, Ruh-Roh. Ruh-Roh, are you back? The Revenge of the Smurf. Oh God, that's so funny.
Dude, so really weird. Well, I'm gonna tell you, I'm like all of a sudden this makes absolutely no sense.
What?
Like I'm like opening up my okay, so I'm in Slack and I'm going to go add pictures, so I do the little add and I upload. I'm on a Mac, don't forget. So I go to photos and I go to pick my pictures out, and there's a ton of pictures in here that are not mine that are just showing up in my thing.
You want to show me?
Sure.
So I can take a look.
Pictures from where?
I don't know. I don't know whose they are. It's somebody that's involved with crypto though, because they're meme coin, they're not mine. I'm not it's weird. And
I'll take a look right now.
Okay,
1 second. I just want to see this generation really quick. And this is Flashcraft.
Last bro looks like Rebecca Smurf. Oh my gosh, yeah, look at them.
This is very I mean
they look rubber. They look like rubber.
I mean, it's an interesting style, right? But it's definitely
and
not
what was this?
what I was expecting. Flashcraft. All right, let me stop sharing, and I want you to share and show me the issue.
Should I do this on stream? They're not bad pictures. I'm just saying.
Yeah, as long as it's not bad pictures, then you're
no,
good.
They're not bad, but still,
Let's see what
I
you're
just
talking
don't
about.
understand how they're okay. So, I go to Slack, and I here, look at my photos. This is not mine. 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 That's 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 my cats. But that's not mine. That's not mine. That's not mine. None of these are mine here. Black Rock. That's not mine. This one's not mine. This one's not. This one's not. This one is. That one is. Sorry,
Yeah.
it's a little bigger. Sorry.
Fine.
This one is not. This one is not. This one is not. This one's not. That one's not. Like those are not my pictures.
That's interesting. So
Let me
this
see
is
it. Let me see.
Apple. This is your Apple photos.
Yeah.
What do you think, Ross?
Like here they are here.
Why do you think?
You share iCloud with someone.
Do you share iCloud with someone?
No, I never.
That's the only way.
Is your iCloud hacked?
I don't know. Like this is not mine. This thing.
Well, what I would do is I would reset your iCloud or go to your the Apple icon or
Can I see like can you? Probably not like any like.
so
information
really
there.
quick. Go to your settings. Let's see your settings really quick.
Telegram photo.
Actually-
Telegram. Wait. See. Look. Hold on.
Telegram.
Info, it's coming from Telegram.
Do you have Telegram?
Oh, unless I just changed something. This could be other people posting something in a thing, and now I may have I tried to change settings in my
Telegram saving to your Apple.
Yeah. Like,
yeah, so like when you get put into like a group chat or some sort.
but I never had that before. So, but I just played around with some settings.
Look at your Telegram settings. Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Data and storage, maybe. Yeah. See, because I did like an auto. I did something where it's saved. Oh, see, auto download media. No, I can't remember what it was that I changed. Maybe it was that.
That's probably one thing. You can just disable auto download media because it's probably pulling
I'm
from
like,
there.
those are not mine, and I don't know where they're coming from. That was so creepy.
Yeah, that's very bizarre. But
yeah, literally just changed this thing.
State's saying, let's see. Morgan, those are in your Max photo folder. You've had to go in there outside of Slack and check properties for each photo. Yeah. Tap one of them and see. Yep. Yeah, so they're not coming from X.
Yeah, no, they're coming from Telegram. When I clicked on the image, it was thank you. It says Telegram right up there, a Telegram photo. So yeah, so I messed around with some Telegram settings earlier because I was trying to make sure that, like my phone number wasn't sharing and just double checking on that stuff. And I did something with photos and I thought I was like for my own or something, but I guess I enabled it to download whatever.
That's fine. See if that resolves your issue. Like once you've deleted them all, see if
Yeah, if any more show up. So tap on one. Yeah. Thank you, State. I appreciate you. Okay. Oh, you're sharing now? You're good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's try this. Let's try the new PIXIO Creative 3. Is Julie here? Oh no, Roro got Roro got booted. She'll come back. Okay, so PIXIO Creative 3, that's interesting. Let me see if I try the initial prompt.
What's wrong?
No, nothing. It's just I would say that's a little too realistic. Let's see. Maybe I can play around with the settings. General. Rendering speed. Oh, we'll do quality. Magic prompt. Save settings. Okay, we'll try that one more time with the higher quality. See if it does anything. If there's any difference. Okay. Oh, snap. I see you. And Morgan also left. Okay, here you go. You're back.
I pushed accidentally leave studio instead when I thought I pressed stop sharing or something. I was like,
That's hilarious.
I'm like, no, don't leave the studio. Freaking out. Oh my God, those guys are so funny.
We'll try your prompt.
Mm-hmm. Mine's just simple, you know.
Yeah, but sometimes simple works.
He's almost looking like Statue of Liberty a little-ish, you know? Blue, that hair.
Yeah, I think it was that prompt. Oh my god, this is.
But I had like a mohawk. Like, oh, I like his glowing eyes.
Let's try the another prompt.
Now you don't, because we're not having like, we're not saying anything about it in the background. Is that why it's giving you a plain black background?
Yeah, but if we have information about that, we can definitely.
Yeah.
But what's cool is that you can always like use this and give it a background. You know,
Sure.
like see how it says replace background here. I'll try that next.
Okay.
So we'll see what it does.
That one on the right looks really old. His eyes look like kind of old.
Yeah, I think it's the. Oh my god, that is.
I see.
That's like the Netty Professor. It's okay. So let's see if
Oh,
we
see
go.
if you can prompt him to have antennas coming out of the head with the eyeballs on the antennas. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm just trying to think of other funny, cute little alien like.
Well, I want to see if I can replace the background.
I like
with
the glowing
something
behind the eyeballs, though. I wish my eyeballs glow like that. Wouldn't need a flashlight. Excuse me. Ooh.
else. Yeah, I don't really have just background. I don't have really any backgrounds to give it. We need like a school background, most likely. Let's see if I can remix. Actually, no, not remix. Download. Edit. Upload image. Oh. Okay. Let's use that character that we just generated. Oh no, see, this is not what I wanted. But in theory, you could give the masks and try out what you were talking about, Morgan. But let me just go back.
Okay.
Oh, Rose not able to.
Oh, I've had a feeling maybe she couldn't talk, or.
It just says device not connected, so I think
okay.
she has to.
Gotcha.
Now, where is that? That's just one character that we have so far, correct? I'm gonna put these in the Slack channel and see if we're like kind of going the right direction. And I mean, we could always continuously play with these and see which ones we like the most. Let's try Maxcraft because we could do like nine images. Nice. Yeah, Julie, let me see if I can kick from studio and see if she can come back. See if that works.
I love that guy. That snarky guy. I think he's cool.
Yeah, so I think it's gonna be in that style most likely. We'll see. Now, Morgan, do you you have that document? Oh my god, these are really funny.
Okay.
This
You
is
should
actually
try,
this is actually not a bad one.
the GPT image.
Oh my god.
They're very hairy. They're very like carpety. They look like a carpet.
Yeah.
His eyes look funny. Put short hair. Put like short hair in your prompt. Like short hair, right?
These are
I
really
mean,
funny. Stuff with
short hair but long, big mohawk or something. You know what I mean? Or short body hair, maybe.
Body hair?
Yeah, I mean, like look at his face.
Mm.
Wouldn't that be like
Facial hair.
Yeah, it's
But look
fluff.
at his arms. His arms are really hairy.
something, felt fuzz, felt straight, felt something?
I mean,
Not
I don't know.
hair.
I'm not a fuzzy blue alien, so I'm not sure what the term exactly is, but you know.
I mean, I could put some of these prompts into the Slack as well if you guys want to
Yeah,
use them.
Sorry, I'm still putting mine in. I got distracted by the other pictures that I had randomly in my stuff.
Maybe.
I didn't save any of them? Oh, yeah, I did. I just didn't do the thing.
Okie dokie. Let's see. Do you have the document, right? You have the document, Morgan, of basically some of the things that Dan mentioned?
Mm-hmm. Well, I think, yeah. Ro put it in the Slack. Give me 1 sec. I'm just was trying to save these. I'm almost there.
We'll play around with this for another few more minutes, and then we could end it here. And then most likely we'll play around with some of these generations in the background to kind of see.
All good, Ro. We still love you.
Yeah, it happens,
Okay,
you know.
Okay, so getting the document, right? The
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at these. What do you think about these? Morgan.
1 sec, because I'm on the document thing, and I'm coming right back to you. Random star in the face. Wait, there was one that I didn't think look. Oh, that one's kind of not bad. That looks yeah. Oh, I like that one. Look at the crystals on his head. He looks like he's got like a beard, or like around his face. They're pretty good. They're not bad. I don't like the hairy ones like that. Like I don't like he's got like really hairy eyebrows. Look at that guy with the four friggin' eyes.
Wait, where?
On the right, all the way on the right, to the right. I forgot where lag, right? So.
Oh, right here, this one?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah, no.
Look at his ears.
Oh, this one, 3 eyes.
Different colors. Okay, so where shall I put am I putting the doc in the stream or?
Roro says that she likes them. Yeah, just you could, if you want, you could share your screen and see what we have.
Wait, so what am I? Just opening the doc and.
Yeah, just so we can take a look and see what kind of generations we need.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So it's where. Okay, how come what I wrote is?
Because I just know about the teacher, and then I know we mentioned a lot about.
Oh, wait. Hold on. Is this a different doc? Oh, no, it isn't. Okay. All right. So I shared the doc in the screen in the chat on
Slack?
the stream. It's already in Slack. Ro put it on Slack.
Okay.
Hurry up, and it's now in the chat in StreamYard.
Nice. I see it. Okay, great. Okay, let's see.
So first scene is just camera zooms in on a school window. Now,
okay, so let's try something. So camera, okay, in the school window. So what we're gonna do for that one is we're gonna jump into Mixcraft.
Okay, yeah, because I'm wondering what the school, like the material of the school. Obviously, doesn't look felty. You know what I mean? Like I'm trying to think of. We have to keep our characters like felt, but the structures like normal.
So that was a zoom in, correct?
Yeah, zoom in on.
We'll try the new model right now. So let's see. Camera zooms in on the school window.
let me pull up like Fraggle Rock. I'm trying to think of like what their settings look like. You know what I mean? Like their scenes or whatever.
All right, let's see what this looks like. We'll try the quick flash. We'll do 720p.
Who would have thought that there were rocks in Fraggle Rock?
Seconds generate.
Those rocks look real.
Now, there's two ways you could do this. We can do it how I'm doing it right now, where it's just taking in the prompt. Or we can hit a start image and maybe have like a generated image of, the school. Like, what kind of school? Is this going to be like some kind of, alien, interstellar, some form of, like, also we can mention, the style of the school, which part of the, maybe like have a character be behind the window. So it's really just about,
like a view outside of, outside.
Oh no, so this is definitely zooming in. Maybe I gotta enhance my prompt a little bit better.
Yeah, we got to do like outside though, so that it's zooming in on the outside window.
So camera zooms in on the outside.
Yeah.
Of a school window.
Zooms into window.
Maybe stylized, just to see what it does. Stylized. Like, is it interplanetary? No. Let's see what it does. We could always enhance a little more of it. But yeah, there's two ways I guess we could go about it. Just getting the prompt, so try to maximize the prompt to get it as accurate as possible, or we could just upload an image.
Try this. But we need to have her Muppet style. So wait one sec. The girl needs to be Jim Henson. Okay. One sec.
While that's happening, I want to see.
I'll try this one and just see what happens. Or which model are you using again? I forgot.
Say again?
Which model are you using?
So this is Luma Mixcraft Maker Mode.
Oh, I'm not in I don't have Maker Mode.
Well, you don't need Maker Mode. It has regular Mixcraft.
Okay.
I
I put the prompt in the chat in the StreamYard chat for you if you want.
Okay, great. Oh, nice. A quiet suburban school building during the day. Camera starts outside near the playground and slowly zooms toward a second-story classroom window. Perfect. Okay, great. Let's try that. We'll let that continue. Paste. Okay, finished. Let's see. This was mine initially, so let's see. Okay, so it's definitely.
Hold on, I can't see it yet.
But we're gonna try your prompt now. So let's hit generate. Okay, that's a funny one. Okay, let that happen. Is there anything other models I can use to get that?
I'm in Wandcraft.
Wandcraft? Oh, nice. Cameras. Okay, well, let's try. Guess we could try the 3, 4 here: PikaCraft, Filmcraft, FXCraft, and MagiCraft. Let's open up some tabs.
My movie?
You just hear Ross
Larry.
calling for Larry.
Larry. Want a treat? I haven't given you a treat today.
Larry.
Okay, now I just gotta get back to.
What are you using?
Well, right now
Use Mixcraft. It's the best.
we are.
Using Juan.
It's gonna be really nice, but while this is happening, I'm gonna just see the other ones. Same.
Did you do camera concept?
Yeah, that's why it's really great. Camera concepts are the best. It's I don't know. I don't know what's the best. Who has the best camera concepts? Is it Higgsfield? Is it Luma? It's big now.
What is big? I'm so sorry.
No, the camera concepts. You know how you used it for your.
Oh, absolutely. Higgsfield is so cool. They keep adding more features too, like so. But I know you guys. Yeah, the camera, the angles, and see that's why I got into film was just because I loved stuff like that, like just showing intensity by zooming in or whatever, like when a movie can make you feel something, like actually feel something.
Okay, so we have our. Oh my god, this is so funny, but it's not a second story, so it didn't get that part.
Well, but still.
I know, it's good. This
Yeah,
is nice.
play it. Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Nice.
That's
okay,
good.
So that's funny. So what I could do is slow it down a little bit. Maybe have 9 seconds. We'll try 9 seconds, and maybe like a slow zoom. Not so crazy there. Let's see. Camera starts outside now.
I don't think mine's.
Yeah, it says slowly
I don't know
zooms.
what I'm doing wrong. I don't have to, for Juan. I've never.
Here's the other one. Share this tab instead. Oh, well, this is on the already got it wrong because it's like out. It's like inside out, It's like from the.
Yeah, but that's not bad either. Like it's coming from the inside, so
yeah.
Better eyes.
Oh, okay. That was.
It's not bad.
That was Pika.
Okay.
We'll try. We'll try a few more. Let's see. We'll try Filmcraft. See how that does. Generate. And then we'll also go to FXCraft and see how that does.
I think I asked Alisher, but I didn't get to ask you. Do you have any like free UI websites that like you can grab like UIs from that are cool? Like.
Oh yeah, you did mention it.
I didn't know if you had heard them.
UI components.
Yeah, like that 21st dev.dev.
UI components, but what are they for? Like React?
I'm using TypeScript, and they work in TypeScript.
Yeah. Off the top of my head, I really,
If you think of any, then you can or come across any.
I'll keep a tab open and see if I can find some.
They're all good.
Let's see.
Did mine go yet? I keep going back to the stream, thinking that your screen is mine, and I'm like, why is it so small? Come on, buddy. I
got 4 different tabs, all generating right now.
See, I don't do that to you guys because
You could do it.
That's so bad. I figured it'd be bad if I did that. I was like, they'll kill me.
No. All right, let's see. We're gonna go to FXCraft. We'll see how this does. Share this tab instead. And let's see how this one did. Oh, I mean, it looks nice from. I mean, that's that's definitely really good. but not what we want. But still, not a bad generation at all.
Wait, let me see. I'm so sorry. I was.
It's okay. You want to see it again? Yeah.
Yes, please.
It did get to zoom in, but we want to be from the outside in. All right, let's see if any of the other ones finished.
You know what? I don't think actually. Think about the whole scene. I don't think that inside, with her sitting next to the window, though, is bad because we could always zoom in over her shoulder. You know what I mean? Like, and it zooms right past her, and there's the little alien sitting outside of a tree. So if you start inside, you know, back from her and zoom into her, you know, like, and she's just sitting there, and then we copy that last frame or take a, you know, screenshot of that last frame and put it in our next you know, video prompt that so that it starts right there at that frame.
Yeah, I mean, you could definitely do a start frame and end frame. That's
then have
probably
it
the
go
smartest thing
past
to do.
her out the window to the little monster sitting at the tree. So it's like, yeah.
Yeah. We can generate an image of that, right? And then you can have like that would be the end frame, and then the whole zooming in camera motion, and then the start frame of just like outside of the building.
Ideas, yeah.
But are you seeing this current prompt that this current generation?
Yeah. That's
How
pretty
funny
crazy.
is that?
That's wild. And which one is this? What model? I'm sorry.
This is this is a mixed craft. It's too funny. Here's the other one.
The difference between Ray 2 Flash, Ray, you know. Like,
it's just better models, newer models, better models. The higher it goes, and the more you can do with this one. Ray 2.
Yeah, mine's not generating. I don't know why. I'm trying to do it in WAN. I've never had an issue like it.
The question is, did I get 9 seconds here? This doesn't look like 9 seconds. Let's see. Ray 2. Zoom in, 720.
Nick made boo-boo.
Nick definitely probably made a boo-boo here. We're going to see, though.
You better fix that. That's live.
Yeah, I know.
What happened?
Okay. Here's the other one. This is 10 seconds. This is PIXIO Craft.
Okay.
Let's see.
One heck of a shot. Oh, what the heck? Wild. Her hair's blowing in the wind.
Oh my god.
look at the felt look at her face though. When it goes close up, look at the material that you could actually see, like it looks like you know, textured.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
That's so funny.
Sock puppet.
Oh, this one just finished. Let's try this one. Show tab. Filmcraft. All right, we'll see how Filmcraft does. Oh god, it already looks wonky.
I think the only one that's going to do really good is going to be Ray.
Yeah.
For this.
And Raisin.
Well,
Luma's good.
Luma is really good.
Oh shit! Sorry.
FX Craft though wasn't bad.
I just realized I did VioCraft and was doing 500, and I was like, oh no! I didn't. I was like, oh wait, that's a lot. And I pushed the button anyway. This is funny.
But we can end it here.
Yeah.
And what we'll do is
cool. Make sure that we save them and put them in the Slack. Yeah.
The Office.
Oh wait! I'm not looking. I gotta look at your screen. Wait. Oh.
It's just
the Office with a Muppet.
It's so funny. Could you imagine that? The whole Office. But what we'll do, we'll share some of these generations.
Yeah.
And we have the document, so we can always continuously generate. I'm gonna go fix that one bug that is definitely Ross will kill me if I don't.
Oh, I'm gonna go check out Tyler's stream. I think Tyler's streaming the old Cividai creator. You know, he has so many awesome art generations. So I'm gonna go check out his stream for a little bit on YouTube and grab something to eat. But yeah.
But thank you so much, Morgan.
Oh, thank you, and Julie. I don't know if you hear us.
I think Julie might have had like some issues, or she was, you know, in the background just generating. But
And State, thank you for hanging out with us. Thanks for tuning in and
and thanks, Rutro, for the meeting notes. Those are really helpful.
Absolutely. And thank you too, Ross.
No problem.
All right.
All right, guys. We'll talk to you in a little bit.
Bye.
Thank
Have a good one,
you.
guys.